Did you know that the average yearly running cost of the Bugatti Veyron, which is the cheapest Bugatti car, is $300,000 or 222 million naira? This is because a set of the tires alone is being sold for $38,000 or 28 million naira, and you are required to replace all the tires for every 2,500 miles that you drive, or between 2 to 3 years, whether the tires are worn out or not. If you think that amount is much, then you'll be having more fun when you are required to pay a sum of $50,000 or 37 million naira for a set of the wheels of the Bugatti Veyron. And the Bugatti Automobiles recommends that the wheels are changed for every 10,000 miles that you drive. Luxury toys like the Bugatti Veyron are meant to service the human ego and prestige and to propagate our charisma, and so you won't even think twice to pay a sum of $42,000 or 31 million naira for a replacement of the fuel tank. Yes, if your fuel tank is bad, then you would have to pay a sum of $42,000 or 31 million naira to get your fuel tank replaced. Some of the parts are actually cheap, however the labor is very expensive. Take for instance, the camshaft is only sold for $800. However, you would need to pay a sum of $21,000 or 15 million naira for the labor. That is because you have to dig deep into the engine to get the camshaft replaced, and so the labor costs way more than the camshaft itself. When chilling in your 2 billion naira Bugatti Veyron, you won't think twice to pay a sum of $25,000 or 18 million naira to get all the fluids in your car changed for every year. Yes, the Bugatti Automobile recommends that all fluids in the Bugatti car be changed yearly, and that takes a sum of $25,000 or 18 million naira only. The fact is that most individuals who use luxury cars usually have some amount of money chilling in their account, like they have multiple sources of income, so they won't even take a second thought to pay a sum of $22,000 or 16 million naira for the changing of 2 air coolers in a car, not to talk of paying a sum of $15,000 or 11 million naira for the replacement of turbochargers in a car. Now, for every 2,500 miles that you drive, the Bugatti car consumes a fuel of $706 or 523,000 naira. But come to think of it, $300,000 or 222 million naira for the running cost of a car. That's much. That could actually get me 50 Toyota Corollas. You know, Nigerians, we love Toyota Corolla. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more tech reviews.